how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to PayPal in 2025. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to PayPal quickly and easily. Step 1. Convert crypto to USDC or USDT. Open Phantom Wallet and check your balance. Swap your crypto, SOL, ETH, etc. to USDC or USDT for easy cash out. Step 2. Transfer USDC, USDT to an exchange. Open a crypto exchange that supports PayPal withdrawals, Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, etc. Copy your USDC, USDT deposit address from the exchange. Go back to Phantom Wallet, click Send, and paste the exchange address. Confirm the transfer and wait for funds to arrive. Step 3. Sell for Fiat and withdraw to PayPal. Sell USDC, UST for Fiat currency, USD, EUR, etc. Go to Withdrawal Settings and select PayPal as the payout method. Enter your PayPal email and confirm the withdrawal. And that's it. Your money will arrive in PayPal within a few minutes or hours. If this guide helped, like and subscribe for more tutorials.